my name is Andre and I'll be presenting my individual hazard report. The workplace I chose is an electrical engineering company. It's a global engineering branch and it's involved in transformer manufacturing, designing, testing. The task I'll be discussing with you is a transformer impulse test. Now what this is, it's just testing a transformer's ability to withstand a simulated lightning strike without collecting damage. The hazards I'm talking about are an electrical, fire and a noise hazard. I chose these hazards as the focus of my report because they'll be relevant to my future tasks as an electrical engineer, because I'll be involved in transformer testing and all these processes, so it's good if I get an upper hand and educate myself on these hazards early. Fire hazard. So the nature of it involves a flame, smoke, rapid ability to move, can affect a large area, intensifies presence of oxygen, wind. Significance, if the fire hazard can't be contained, you'll need further reinforcements such as a team of firemen. Unlike the other two hazards, a fire can affect a very large area of the factory and really has no limits, which has substantial damage and very high repair costs. Potential health and safety risks: fire can cause burns, lung damage, tissue cell death, emotional effects like depression, all these things. Noise hazard, nature of it's caused by operation of machinery, relates to sound energy, can have damaging effects when you listen to dangerous levels of noise for an extended period. Significance, can cause permanent damage to the ears, which is 1 to 5 senses. It's a localized hazard and it's easily controlled, just discontinue operation of machinery. Potential health and safety risks, damage to hearing, headaches, fatigue, high blood pressure, things like that. Electrical hazard, it's fast moving current, which is a killer component, has a low survival rate, and whenever you have conductive material around, the hazard's always present. For example, water is conductive. Its significance can lead to the occurrence of another hazard, which is a fire hazard from things caused like electrical leakage or lightning strike. It's detrimental to human life, can cause instant death in most cases. Potential health and safety risks can cause electrical interference to the heart, difficulty breathing, cardiac arrest, and instant death in most cases. I'll now be discussing control strategies my company utilizes to decrease the risk of these hazards. So for the elimination strategy, where possible they'll always use a quieter machine instead of a noisy one. For designing out, they'll ground all wires when necessary, ensure the testing area has enough room so there's no wire tangling or deterioration of insulation material on the wires. Ensure the testing material is closed off from outside elements such as wind, and the factory is located quite close to a firefighting station, which is quite convenient. Engineering controls, smoke detector alarm system. When testing is in progress, all participants are in a sealed safety room, which is quite far from the transformer, which is good. There's always testing lights that indicate to other members of the factory and other sectors that testing is in progress. Administrative measures, good housekeeping ensures that the testing bay isn't too messy. The company only employs qualified, experienced workers to undergo the tasks, and there's safety consultants that run regular safety seminars to educate employees on improved techniques to deal with workplace hazards. PPE measures, to enter the factory you have to wear safety goggles, a bright yellow vest, closed shoes, safety helmet, and there's good access to a defibrillator and a fire blanket and extinguisher.